Electrical Research and Development Association, popularly known as ERDA, is a premier laboratory in India for research and development, testing, calibration, certification and consultancy in the field of electrical engineering. ERDA was established in 1974 at Vadodara, Gujarat, with the support from the Government of Gujarat, Government of India, electrical industries and utilities. ERDA is a not-for-profit organization, registered under the Societies Act and as a charitable trust, Mumbai Act. We are also exempted from income tax. Our registered office is in Mumbai. R&D is one of the significant activities of ERDA. Some of our major achievements include more than 300 research projects sponsored by government, utilities and industries. More than 50 technologies developed, 33 of them commercialized, one of them in the United States. A respectable IPR portfolio based on innovative R&D. Published more than 500 papers by our scientists and engineers in refereed international and national journals and conferences. 10 PhD scholars and more than 80 master students have completed their dissertations and theses at ERDA. Conferred with several prestigious international, national and state awards for innovations, such as World Intellectual Property Organization International Gold Medal for Best Innovation, 3 National NRDC Government of India Awards, 5 Dr. Vikram Sarabhai Awards of Government of Gujarat and 4 Ilek Rama International Product Awards. Our R&D activities are focused in 5 technology missions: advanced materials, renewable energy, diagnostics, power systems and new products. In the mission of advanced materials, focus is on development of smart materials and leveraging of nanotechnologies. Some of the recent developments in the areas of materials research are anti-dust coating for solar photovoltaic panels and nanofillers for fire resistance. ERDA has state-of-the-art pilot plant facility for material processing, characterization and scale-up. We also undertake failure analysis of engineering components used by power and process industries and have completed 500 analyses for industries, utilities and insurance agencies. Any renewable source requires appropriate energy storage technology to become sustainable. One of the thrust areas is energy storage. ERDA has successfully completed MNRE-sponsored research projects on hydrogen as energy storage vector. We are also engaged in design, development and validation of efficient apparatus employed in renewable plants such as inverters and hybrid controllers. ERDA is equipped to evaluate performance of renewable power plants and conduct diagnostics. Some projects being pursued include standalone pico-hydel plant, wind hydrogen-based energy system, solar microgrid. Research and development in the area of diagnostics is of importance to correctly predict failures and remaining life of power equipment. The major techniques employed are in situ metallography, NDT, vibration and sound analysis, partial discharge measurement by acoustic emission method, motor current signature analysis, sweep frequency response analysis, dissolved gas analysis, Furan analysis, and DP of paper insulation. Technology mission on power systems has been focused in the area of system study services for electrical industries, utilities and regulatory commissions. A few system studies conducted recently are load flow, short circuit calculations, transient stability, harmonic study, dynamic stability study, electromagnetic transient study, relay coordination, facts solutions, insulation coordination, bus and line reactor study, arc flash study, loading ability limit study, integration of renewable power with grid, protection audit, as well as evaluation of aggregate, technical and commercial losses. To conduct system studies and research in the field of power systems, ERDA has software facilities like MyPower, ETAP and MATLAB. We have conceived, designed, developed and commercialized several product technologies such as online fault sensor, fault current limiter, frequency trend meter, recurrent surge oscillograph and zero flux current transformer. ERDA has also set up an analytical center equipped with state-of-the-art numerical packages for modeling and simulation. The softwares available are SolidWorks, ANSYS Workbench, CFX and Fluent, Ansoft Maxwell 2D and 3D, RM Expert, P Expert, Simplora, CFX Turbo and PumpLinks. Some of the recent developments in electrical product research are simulation and design of IE4 motor, H-index of power apparatus, and recyclable MCCB and CT. ERDA is committed to providing appropriate technologies, enabling the country to meet its vision of Make in India, zero defect and zero effect manufacturing.